Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on manage your Google account. Then click on data and privacy. And now you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. And here you have to enter your password. Now you have to check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's recover it by opening, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account. And then you have to enter your email address and click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted and I have to click next to restore it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And then click accept. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.